We are staying in room 405. We're going to go ahead and come in. And see what this place looks like. I've already been in the room. I had to drop all my stuff off and come get you guys. But this is a double queen. It's not bad. This one is adjoining. The TV is amazing. Look how big this thing is. That thing's huge. Got a desk, got a chair, and again a bed. Don't mind all my crap everywhere. I am over here by myself. Amber's back at home. So it does have a Keurig. It does have a microwave, a small mini fridge, some storage area, all that kind of stuff. Closet. They do have a laundry. They do have, oh, there it is. So I was like wondering. So going into the bathroom, it's not a bad bathroom. A single sink. I already washed my hands in here. And then you have your towels and everything else. Small little shower. It's not so bad. The towels are up top, which is kind of cool. I wonder if they get wet from the excess water splatter. We'll find out. They do here for Hilton, they use Neutrogena. Whereas like Marriott, they use Paul Mitchell and stuff like that. So, but the other stuff that they have that's really cool is they have 2 outlets and 2 USB, which is kind of convenient because most of us forget a wall charger when we're traveling, so we need a place to plug in. At least that is there. They have a dresser, which is kind of left open. I didn't open it, but they left it open. And then we have the view of the industrial park that is here. Over there is like a Target and stuff like that. I'm not sure how far I am away from the University of Northern Iowa, but I believe it's pretty close. But yeah, this is pretty much it for now. I will try to show you around. I know they have like a bar downstairs, like a hot food and stuff like that. So I'll go down there and take that a look. I am here for 5 days, so we'll keep looking. Let's see what other kind of amenities they do have for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, we're finishing up here at the Hilton Garden over here in Cedar Falls, Iowa. It's roughly about 7 to 15 minutes away from the University of Northern Iowa University campus and sporting areas. It's a little further than another hotel that I'm staying at. With Amber, and then another hotel that I'm staying at. So I'm going to be out here in 3 different hotels, all within striking distance of the university and stuff like that. Now, it's about 15-20 minutes away from the Tractor Museum and downtown Waterloo, Cedar Falls area too. So you got like 2 cities back to back. Now, before I came here, I didn't know that the University of Northern Iowa was out here. So it's pretty cool to see that there's a small little college town. I thought it was going to be in some podunk spot. And as I'm closing this video, it's kind of cool to see all the history that Waterloo and Cedar Falls has brought to the state of Iowa and to things that we know, like John Deere and a couple other things. But this hotel itself was actually pretty nice. One thing that I'm noticing with Hilton is that the rooms walls are a little thinner than most hotels that I'm stayed at. But I think that's just kind of how they are building their hotels. Um, you kind of, if they can hear you, you can probably hear them. Um, Vice versa. So what was cool about this hotel specifically is that they have a restaurant downstairs that I really didn't partake in, but it was pretty cool to see. The gym was actually pretty nice. I kind of tried to start going back to the gym a little bit. The pool was, the water wasn't as clear. It was a little murky. You can smell the chlorine, so I think they're trying to kill off whatever might be in the pool. But there's no science for it or anything. My speculation. But that's not a dig. It's just, it is what it is. Water. I mean, we had an aquarium and algae buildup and all that kind of stuff comes, and you got to do things to fix it. Other than that, this hotel is actually not bad at all. It's $140 a night, at least what I was paying. Again, it's really, really nice. There's right across the way, which I didn't do a video for, but maybe when I come back in a week, maybe I will. The Fleet Farm, which is a huge store. It's like a Lowe's, Ace Hardware, everything. It's really cool. I may just do a video. But it's really cool to see that as well. There's Shields down the street, not too far away within driving distance. Food options is very limited close by. There's no sit-down restaurants. You got Cane's Chicken, you got IHOP, and you got a Chinese place, you got a pub, and that's pretty much it within the 5-minute driving area. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for checking in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. If you have any questions about anything, we'll do our best to answer. I did not test the internet, but I will tell you that uploading videos was actually pretty quick. I uploaded probably about 5 or 6 videos, and it was pretty quick to upload them. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for supporting our channel. Again, we are Echo Child Adventures, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.